Namaste friends, Bridge course, Standard 10th, English, date 12th of July 2021, competency number 8. Read carefully to understand a new concept or idea. I would like to recall you sub skills of reading, scanning and skimming, which you have learnt last year. What is scanning? Scanning is a reading the text quickly for specific information. And what is skimming? Skimming is a reading for general idea, getting general idea. म्हणजे काय, ही वाचन कौशल्याची उपकौशल्ये आहेत, स्कॅनिंग आणि स्किमिंग. स्कॅनिंग कधी करतो आपण? वाचन कौशल्याचं हे महत्त्वाचं उपकौशल्य आहे. जेव्हा वस्तुनिष्ठ स्वरूपाची माहिती आपल्याला उतार्यातून मिळवायची असते तेव्हा आपण जे वाचन करतो दॅट इज स्कॅनिंग. आणि एखाद्या उतार्याचा त्याची मध्यवर्ती कल्पना जेव्हा आपल्याला समजून घ्यायची असते तेव्हा आपण जे रीडिंग करतो दॅट इज स्किमिंग, गेटिंग जनरल आयडिया और ओव्हरऑल आयडिया ऑफ द गिवन टेक्स्ट, दॅट इज स्किमिंग. तेव्हा ही दोन्ही उपकौशल्य जी आहेत वाचनाची, स्कॅनिंग अँड स्किमिंग, are the sub skills of reading skill. They are very important, and these two sub skills are very closely associated with today's activities. So please remember it, recall it. It is very useful. Read the passage carefully. Write its central idea in a sentence. Learning activity. Forgiveness is a choice one makes over and over again. It can be a fresh perspective or healthy distance, like a quiet room with a view onto the world of complexity and conflict. Forgiveness can be a gift to yourself or to others. It may be something you receive, but it can also be a quality that describes a relationship where one must be capable of self-forgiveness in order to forgive others. So, this is a very small text given and you have to write its central idea in a sentence. एका वाक्यात तुम्हाला या छोट्या उतार्याची मध्यवर्ती कल्पना लिहायची आहे. There is one more solved activity. First, read the solved activity. The answers are given. Central idea of the solved activity is given. I will not read it. You read and you understand how the central idea is judged and written. So once you read the second solved activity, then let us come back to the first one. So the central idea of the read passage is this short text informs us that forgiveness is a gift to human beings as well as it is an essential quality. There is extension activity. Read the passage, write it with its central idea in your notebook. Motivation is the process that initiates, guides, and maintains goal-oriented behaviors. Motivation involves the biological, emotional, social, and cognitive forces that activate behavior. In everyday usage, the term motivation is frequently used to describe why a person does something. And now you have to write the central idea of this text. I hope you will be able to write it in a single sentence, in a sentence. You have to try it. And finally, you have to write my takeaway. You can write in this way, not the same but in this way. Just I demonstrate. Today I learned how to find and write central idea of the given text by reading it comprehensively. So in this way you can write your takeaway tip. Then there is one more extended activity given. Listen to, read and write the passage along with its central idea. Modesty is a virtue. It's a sign of respect for others. The way you talk to others, use the words in conversation or in writing, the tone of your utterances, your gestures along with your inner feelings or emotions reveal this quality in you. It is just like a jewel when it is put on by a beautiful woman. Modesty shines when it is reflected in a wise person's behavior. So you have to write central idea of this text. This is one more extended activity for practice. Write in your notebook and write the central idea also. Now the same competency number 8, activity number 2 and learning activity. Read the passage carefully and do the given comprehension activities. So the passage is Hi Lucia, how are you? It was so nice to meet you last week in Sydney at the sales meeting. How was the rest of your trip? Did you see any kangaroos? I hope you got home to Mexico City okay. Anyway, I have the documents about the new Berlin offices. We are going to be open in 3 months. I moved here from London just last week. They are very nice offices and the location is perfect. There are lots of restaurants, cafes and banks in the area. There is also public transport. We are next to the U-Bahn. That is the name of the metro here. Maybe you can come and see them one day. I would love to show you Berlin, especially in the winter. You said you have never seen snow. You will see lots here. Here's a photo of you and me at the restaurant in Sydney. That was a very fun night. Remember the singing Englishman? Crazy. Please send me any other photos you have of that night. Good memories. Please give me your email address and I will send you the documents. Bye for now, Mikkel. And 2 tasks are given. Task number 1, match the following: Group A places and Group B sentences. So in places, Berlin, London, Mexico City and Sydney. So these 4 places have been given in A group. In B group, Mikkel and Lucia met here. Mikkel's new offices are here. Mikkel used to live here. Lucia lives here. So task number 2, State whether the sentences are true or false. Michael and Lucia were friends from school. They work for a company that sells things. The new offices are in a very good location. There is a metro next to the offices. You have to write whether the sentences are true or false. So these are the reading comprehension activities. So you may have understood the second activity is associated with or related with scanning, and the first one is associated with skimming. Now solved activity is given here. I will not read it. You read independently. The answers of the questions have been provided in the PDF by SCRT. You just ensure your answers and match with them. Then next, practice activity. Read this passage carefully and do the comprehension activities. Good evening, friends. Our school has decided this year to conduct a campaign. Let us protect Mother Earth. You have to spot a newly or recently planted trees in your area, adopt them, water them, tend them. Let us conserve the trees. They are our lifelines. You all in our class are very sincere and responsible students. The headmaster of our school has announced that the class performing the best in the tree conservation will be given special award. Let us work for the survival of all living things. Note your observations of tree conservation in your school diary. Your class teacher. Now task 1 is given, match the pairs. Group A, campaign, observations, trees, headmaster. Group B, number 1, to be noted in school diary. Number 2, announcement of an award. Number 3, let us protect Mother Earth. And number 4, our lifelines. So you have to match A with B appropriately. Then task number 2, state whether the following sentences are true or false. The teacher has shared the message in the afternoon. The school mentioned in the passage is sincere and responsible. The class mentioned in the passage is sincere and responsible. The headmaster in this passage is true motivator, and students are instructed to note their observations on WhatsApp group. So you have to write whether each sentence is true or false. And then one extension activity has been given here. Along with task 1 and 2, you read them and solve the extension activity and practice activity on your own. So I hope you will understand by reading in a better way, and this practice will be useful for you for your next exams. Thank you.